Welcome to part 34 of our B44.2 build, and we're going to go ahead and install the motor cam and the motor clamp. We're dealing with bag R, and we're nearing the end of our hardware. So let's go ahead and put this down on our magnetic mat and make room for this. So one way is just to get everything kind of neatly organized, and what's kind of weird is like this is the centering plate, and it's we just need to orientate this correctly. So, and I apologize for that being out of focus. I'm holding that cam too close to the camera, and I'm holding my motor too close to the camera. So let's get a better view there. So once you get everything set, you just go ahead and thread in your bullet screw, and everything just goes right like that. So just notice that it has like a little notch at the top there. That's the way you want to thread that one in and orient that motor. So I'm going to go ahead and just thread in the second screw in here. So it's just the bullet connector, or the bullet head screw, and we just go ahead and just turn this in. So this gives us a few turns in there, and that should go straight in. There we are. And this motor is feeling a little hefty. It's can't wait to fire it up and see how well it works. Then we have our pinion. And the kit does not include a pinion at all. I've heard everything from you should try like a 19 gear pinion to a 23 gear pinion. I'm just testing this one out. I'm actually trying a 20 gear pinion, and I'll let you guys know how well this works. So getting my 20 gear pinion on there, and next getting the screw ready. And this is going to be the motor mount clamp, and that actually goes on the side of the motor, and I apologize for that being out of frame. I just gotta get this on here just a second here, and we should be all set. So once I get this kind of just placed on correctly, we could go ahead and change up the camera angle. So I just want to maneuver this a little bit better for you guys. But once that's on there, we should be set. Let me just move the camera. There we are. And all that's left is just go ahead and just two screws are just going to hold this motor to the chassis. And I just made sure that the pinion gear and the spur gear were properly aligned. And I'm just going to go ahead and give this another quick turn here. And you don't want to tighten up the top screw just yet. You just want to make sure you get the bottom screw in place first, and then you can go back and tighten up the top screw later on. So let me just go ahead and get this aligned, and we'll just go ahead and torque that in. I am not quite level with that area, so just got to go back and just turn this in. And we're pretty much set. Next step, we'll solder up the wires to the motor, and we'll be one step more to completing this build. Thanks for watching.